Welcome to second episode of Python in StarSteer. In today's episode, we will do quick dive into data quality control using Python. We are focusing on data completeness, a critical aspect when it comes to data quality and making informed decisions. There is a large StarSteer project with more than 200 wells. In order to check the data completeness, I will have to manually go open spreadsheet of each well one by one and check the presence of well header data such as surface coordinates, grid convergence, operator API, etc. I will also need to expand each well to manually check the presence of logs, topsets, interpretations, and all other related objects. Similarly, I will need to go into type well referencing mode and check for each well whether or not a type well is linked to the lateral. You can imagine how time-consuming this manual process can be. Now let's check out the Python solution, a new script called well_data_qc. This script automatically scans your StarSteer project and outputs an Excel file that provides a clear summary of data completeness. The only input required is a file path where you wish to save the Excel file. When you run this, a file is saved on your computer and it looks like this. So on the top we've got the object type names as headers. On the left we've got well names, and as I scroll right I see a clear summary of the presence of each object. A green check mark shows present data and a red cross mark indicates the data is absent. By highlighting the completeness of your data, you can quickly identify gaps, ensuring that you always have reliable and actionable insights at your fingertips. If you wish to utilize this handy quality check tool, download the script using the link below. I will see you in the next episode of Python in StarSteer.